So today's video is going to teach you how to connect your cell phone to the Bluetooth in your 2018 Chevy Equinox. The first step that you want to do is you want to hit the home button on your dash, okay, to take you to this main screen on the radio. The next step that you want to do is you want to hit the phone icon, and you will see this screen show up on the screen. Okay, now the next thing you want to do is you want to go to your cell phone and you want to hit the settings button on your phone, and you'll pull up this screen right here. Okay, the next thing you want to do is you want to hit Bluetooth. Okay, you got to make sure that your phone is active for the Bluetooth. Okay, the next thing you want to do is up on the screen up here, you want to hit search device, and it will start searching the vehicle for all the devices that are active. Okay, Donna's iPad, boom, hit that, and then down here on your radio screen you'll see the vehicle's radio called Chevrolet MyLink. Okay, it's going to ask you to Bluetooth pairing request. If you want to pair the vehicle, you want to hit pair. And up here, you want to check the PIN number, the 794916, against the PIN number that is appearing on the phone device. If they match, you want to hit yes. Okay, now at this point, the vehicle and the iPad, iPhone is completing the pairing process. Okay, now at this point right now, my device is paired to the vehicle. It'll start downloading all my contacts that I have listed in my device, and you should be all ready to go.